Imagine paying your mortgage on time every month and your bank takes away your home anyway. It may not make any sense, but it's happening to some homeowners. Christine Johnson explains this mortgage mess, new at 5.
Holidays, proms, babies' first steps. Since 2004, Kim Scheibel's beloved home has been the backdrop for it all.
I would like to have back what they took.
That is, until she was forced out of the house in 2016 after the bank foreclosed.
They've turned my life upside down.
What's worse, her attorney, Josh Denbo, says that it happened without Scheibel's ever having missed a mortgage payment.
She paid it every single month.
These are the largest financial institutions in our country, and they are absolutely fleecing America.
It all started in 2010.
But they solicited me for a modification through the mail.
Scheibel says Bank of America sent her an offer she simply couldn't refuse. The chance to modify her loan by as much as $600 a month.
It was a godsend, actually.
It was part of HAMP, or the Home Affordable Modification Program, required of the banks by the government after the $700 billion bailout. But in many cases, it left the homeowners who applied worse off, says attorney Linda Torelli, who specializes in mortgage abuse.
If there was money to be made in the loan modification process, don't you think the banks would streamline that process?
But rather than streamline the loan modification process, several former bank employees testify that they were actually encouraged to sabotage it.
They send in paperwork. The paperwork gets lost.
Forensic accountant Jay Patterson serves as an expert witness in cases involving loan modifications.
They say they never got it. They send it in again, and they might send it in 20 times. And this process just keeps on and on.
The end result? Homeowners like Scheibel's, who were told that they were approved, were months later told they did not meet the requirements. And not only would they have to reapply, they were also on the hook for the difference in the modified payment and the original mortgage.
I've been lied to. I've been deceived.
To them, it's just spreadsheets. Ms. Scheibel's is not a spreadsheet. Why can't our society protect this woman?
Christine Johnson, KDKA TV News.
Now, after foreclosure, her home was sold, so she has no chance of getting it back. A lawsuit she filed against Bank of America is in the process of being appealed, and due to that litigation, Bank of America would not comment. If you're thinking of applying for a loan modification, experts say first it'd be wise to show all the documentation to an independent mortgage specialist.